Printers, the bane of any IT tech's life. They always seem to stop working at the most inconvenient times. But fear not, because in this video we'll be sharing some tips and advice on how to troubleshoot common printer issues. Hi there, welcome to our world of hassle-free business IT. We're Jam Crackers and we provide IT services throughout the UK and the Netherlands. And we help keep businesses like yours running smoothly, while you focus on what you do best. So, you're running late for that meeting, you just need a quick print to take, but the printer has decided not to play ball. My name's Richard Latimer and today I'm going to give you our top tips on getting it working ASAP. First things first, check the printer's connection to the computer or the network. Make sure everything is plugged in and connected properly, or if it's on Wi-Fi, check it's not disconnected. Make sure the printer is turned on and has paper, ink or toner, and be sure that your ink or toner cartridges are compatible. Using non-genuine ink can cause issues and void any warranties with the manufacturer. It's also a good idea to keep some spare cartridges on hand just in case. If everything seems to be in order, check the printer's queue for any stuck or paused print jobs. Clearing these can often solve the problem. If the issue persists, make sure the printer's drivers and firmware are up to date. Outdated software can cause all sorts of problems. Finally, check the printer's settings to make sure everything is configured correctly. If the printer is connected to a network, make sure the network is functioning properly. And there you have it, some simple tips and advice for troubleshooting common printer issues. And remember, when all else fails, there is the old adage, have you tried turning it off and on again? You'll be surprised how often that works. Thanks for watching and happy printing. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. And remember, if your IT's in a bit of a jam, let's talk, because we can crack it. We are Jam Crackers and we're here to ensure your IT runs smoothly and securely.